Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how to open an HSBC bank account online. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, head on over to your preferred browser, and then on the search box of this browser, go ahead and type HSBC account. Once you've done that, on the first link, you'll be able to see open a bank account online. Go ahead and click on that link. This will redirect you over onto this page. Go ahead and accept all cookies. Scroll down and you'll be able to see the how to apply button. Go ahead and click on it. This will give you a general idea before you apply for an account on the HSBC. Here are some things you need to know before applying for an account on HSBC. Here's the criteria you must meet. You must be 18 or older, happy for them to do a credit check against your name, and you should be able to provide ID and proof of address if needed, and should have read the important account documents below. These are the important documents that you must read in order for you to be able to open an account on HSBC UK. If you're applying from outside the UK or Europe, go ahead and click on this Apply Now button. However, if you're in the UK or Europe, you'll be able to see this interface. You can select which account you'd like to create, either a sole account or a joint account. Click on it. This will redirect you to this page where you'll be reading the eligibility criteria for this bank account. As you can see, you're supposed to be 18 years or above, and you should be living in the UK or one of the following countries. And if you drop down on this list, you'll be able to see the countries that are eligible to apply from. Once you've made sure that you fit the eligibility criteria, you can go ahead and see the information and documents you may need for the application. You're going to require your addresses for the last 3 years, your employment details, your income details, and proof of your identity and address. Go ahead and click on Confirm and Start. Once you've done that, you'll be required to enter all your personal details like your email address, the title, your first names, your surname, and various other questions that are prompted to you in this window. After you've filled out this information, go ahead and click on Continue. Once you've done that, you'll be required to enter your contact details. Go ahead and select your country code. After that, enter your mobile number, and once you've done that, go ahead and enter your current residential address. Again, follow the prompts that are given to you and click on Continue, and follow the prompts that are given to you by this website. And once you've done that, you'll also be required to provide a verification of your identity, and once you've done that, your account should be created. And this is how you can create an HSBC bank account online. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.